ladies and gentlemen, high level on that. Now, the another aspect of it is project scope explanation. Basically, the project scope really defines the boundaries of the project in detail, but not so super detail in which that you can't leverage planning. As I mentioned to you earlier, that I've seen in other organizations where that's all they do is they'll really do a deep dive on the scope aspect, and I'm like, no, 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 no. We do that in the planning area. So project objective explanation. Basically, the project objectives is really more or less around the specific, let's say SMART, meaning specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, and time based goals. Stakeholder explanation. So basically, this is where stakeholders are, whether individual groups, organization, have some interest in the project and the project outcome. Then you have roles and responsibility. This basically clearly defines from a high level what are the roles and responsibilities for each of the stakeholders that thus far that we have identified. And then project risk and mitigation. What are some high level risks that we are already aware of that we need to put some mitigating responses in?